Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing good. So first of all, I would like to wish you all happy new year. May you got what you wish for. And this video is all about how you can write a resume just by using ChatGPT 3. So those who don't know that what is ChatGPT 3, ChatGPT 3 is an amazing artificial intelligence platform where you can write anything. So basically it has been released and many people are making videos, but I think that none of them have made videos on how to create a resume just by typing in. It's pretty easy to create a resume. In this video, I'm going to teach you A to Z that how you can create a resume using ChatGPT 3 artificial intelligence software. So let's jump into
So
the
we
video
are here on our
discuss.
screen. As you can see, I have accessed chat.openai, which is basically called ChatGPT. So in order to access ChatGPT, you just have to Google it. Just have to go to the Google and type ChatGPT 3. That's it. It will appear on the first link, probably the second one, because the first one is advertisement. You just have to go this website called ChatGPT 3, this one. So basically it's an amazing tool. If you don't know, I have already made a short kind of video, probably like 2-3 minutes, but after that I thought just to make an explanatory detailed video for you guys, so you can learn more and like research more what is ChatGPT 3. So I will just put this link down below. You can access this one. And I think due to some kind of traffic on the ChatGPT website, you cannot, but I will link it down in the description. You can check it. So let's begin with the ChatGPT 3. As you can see, this is the tool called ChatGPT. Let me refresh it for you guys. It's an amazing tool to write a resume. For example, I will go here and type a short thing. For example, if you don't know how to write an email, basically there are many people who knows how to write an email, who are good communicator, but the thing is when it comes to writing an email, they don't know how to write an email properly. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna type write me an email saying write me an email application for a job post for a graphic designer. That's basically, first of all, you're gonna write what you want till here, and then what you want. Like for example, I want an email application, a job post for a graphic designer. So I'm gonna hit enter. It's gonna write me automatically. See how crazy it is, guys. When I see this, it's written automatically, I get scared, because many people, content writers, graphic designers, they will out of their job probably near to 2025, probably, yeah, most probably. So please guys, equip new skills. And let's get back to the topic. See, he has written a proper email. See, I'm writing to express my interest as a, oh my god, it's 100% great. Yeah, you can use this one. You're just gonna copy it and just copy and just go to the email, and that's it. You can send it. Just type your name here. It's pretty much okay. So it was related to an email application. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna like show you guys how you can write a resume for your related job. For example, I want to apply for a social media marketing job. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here. So I'm gonna write here, write me a resume for social media marketing. I'm gonna hit enter. So it's gonna write me a proper resume. See how scary it is. Yeah, see, it's gonna write me a proper resume. So you don't need to like write proper resume by using by using Word. You can use this one and see how crazy it is. It's automatically like typing for me. I'm not doing anything. It's artificial intelligence. So once it's written, see, it's writing an automatic thing. See, it has mentioned different experience, 1 year, and here's like 2 job posts for the skills as well and for the education as well. It's crazy, guys. It's mind-blowing because there are many people who are learning old skills, such as they're learning content creation. Just learn. It's fine. It's totally fine. But the thing is that you need to improve yourself as the world is evolving, the technology is improving day by day. You guys are gonna get behind, and it's gonna be very painful, you guys, because in order to earn more money, earn more respect, if you want to earn more money in today's age, you need to upskill yourself. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you must be learning website design, UX UI, and all the skills that are in demand. For example, UX UI are highly in demand. You can use that as well. So see, it has written me a proper resume for my. So if you want to copy the resume, you just can copy here. It's pretty easy. Yeah? Just gonna copy here all. You just can copy it. Copy, and if you have a Word, just go to the Word document and just paste it. So it's gonna be a good thing. Just edit it, because if you're gonna copy from here, it's gonna show the black background here on the documents. So I'm gonna go click here, paste. See, it will show me. Wait, see, it has written everything for me. How crazy it is, guys. You just can edit it. Just edit it. Make sure you edit it. Okay. So yeah, till here I guess it was email. I will just delete it. See, here is your CV. Just can edit it. Type resume for social media marketing. Yeah, and you can just implement these all details on your resume as well, and make sure that you don't use this one. You just have to put your link here, because it's asking for the LinkedIn. For phone, you just have to put your phone number here. For email, you just have to put your email here. That's it. And it has already written you a proper and highly a wonderful summary for your job. Here it is, and here are your experiences. This is the number 1 experience, number 2 here. So it's pretty crazy. You just need to make sure that you're upgrading yourself as well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try a new thing, which is we're gonna write small code. Not a small code, I'm gonna write a cover letter. For example, you also need a cover letter, right? So I'm gonna go write me a cover letter for graphic designer for social media marketing. Social media marketing, having 5 years of experience in 5. Just write this one. Yeah, so it's gonna write automatically for you. See, it's gonna write automatically for you, because it will choose the words that you have written and write you a proper cover letter for your job. See how crazy it is. It's amazing, guys. I really love it. And you just have to access this one. And to access that ChatGPT 3, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna link down below in my description. Make sure you check that. It's crazy. See, what is that written? Let's overlook. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's amazing. I'm confident in my ability to contribute to the success of our team. See, if an AI can write a proper cover letter, if a human is writing, it's gonna take him probably like 10 minutes to write a cover letter, or 5 minutes probably if it's native speaker. So make sure that you are upgrading yourself daily, guys. And if you want to learn anything, you just gotta find everything on my YouTube channel. I also teach Amazon. I also teach e-commerce. I also teach anything that you guys want. I will teach, and I'm also gonna release my course which is related to freelancing. So if you guys do not subscribe me, just make sure that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, guys, 90% of the people haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, so make sure you do that. And just share this video. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bless y'all. Bye bye.